Hello friends, I'm again back with another review of another mixer grinder from Bajaj. Also this is Bajaj Twister 750 watt, again 750 watt mixer grinder with 5 years warranty on motor and 2 years body warranty. And we will now see the price. MRP 5475 rupees, and it is, you can see Bajaj Twister written here, 750 watt, net quantity 1 unit, 230 volt to 50 hertz voltage and frequency couple. Manufactured in October 2018. You can see all the details of Bajaj given here, and the QR code, the barcode given here, and the color is white. That is available in Amazon.com. Yeah, Flipkart and Amazon.com. It is only available 3-jar variety. It has also a 4-jar variety, but it is not available there. Yeah. So let's get inside. Now this is all inside. The things I will take out now. This is something like a lid. This is the small jar, and I guess these are the other jars, other 2 jars here. Yes, it is. These are other jars. Okay. Another jar. Yeah. There is another jar here. I'll not waste time by totally unboxing and showing you all the unboxing. And now wait to see the lead. May look defective to you, but this lid top here. And fix the leads. Okay, so the best plus point of this twister mixer grinder, 750 watt it is, and it is 100% copper motor. You can see the emblem here. And also one thing, this lock in the chutney and the grinder, 2 big jars, there are these locks. These locks are very much handy because when it rotates, the lid will not open up and the contents will not spill out. So it's just, you have to just press it here, right here. Now we have seen all these leads, etc., and now it's time to focus on the accessories, amenities. These are some extra blades they have given, sales packet, and I hope there is a spatula also. Yes, there is a spatula, and there is this warranty card. The spatula helps in chutney jar actions. So here comes the spatula, and yeah, you have to just put the screw over it. And you have to just put this orifice here, and you can rotate it and open it like that. And this is specially recommended in the instruments, that these are repeatedly opened up, these blades, and washed. And if you need heavy grinding actions, then you can use these blades as well. So I will now open up this warranty card. Okay, and before that I want to show you that this product is original. There is four rubber stands. Okay, and here is this emblem, this color changing hologram. There is a QR code, and this is an emergency switch when it gets off due to some reason like high voltage etc., you can just press it and reset and everything will be fine. It's like auto cut. Now coming with this this twister has I have bought this 3 jar variant, and it has a 4 jar variant also, and I don't think it is available online because I have checked before buying in Amazon and Flipkart, and in neither of them there was any fulfilled seller that sell these 4 jar items. There was only this 3 jar item is available. Yeah, so it is quite tight and you have to just press it and press hard and it gets locked right here. Yeah, it's locked and it will not open up. That's pretty cool. You can see here are the other 2 jars. Wow, it's swift. This is no problem. It will be easy with much use. This has got no such locks, lid locks. It is only this rubber socket. Vacuum is created. This is pretty good. It will not come up. Now here comes the user manual. You can see here that this is Bajaj Twister 3 jars and 3 jars, and there is also a 4 jar variety. Yes, there is a 4 jar variety. So this is what I have bought, is a 3 jar variety. Yes, you can see all the manuals right here, and this is the manuals for Bajaj Twister 3 jars. Yeah, 4 jars and 3 jars are given together. And now here comes the warranty card. This is the warranty card, and it is the hologram. Here it is written that 2 years warranty is given here, and it is also this warranty is for appliances and fans of Bajaj. So behind this there is this given. This is the warranty details. It's given. Now we will show you the real-time running of this mixer grinder. Hey friends, you can see that it is running very well. The small grinder jar is working very fine. We have given mustard in it to grind, and it is a transparent lid, so it is working very fine. The cord is long also. You can see that it's very much long. So and it is working very fine. So we will wait for the result. You can see that the paste has been created well. So it is very good working. So I think I should suggest you that you should buy this too, 750 watt. Don't buy 500 watt varieties because they can't grind things well. So always buy 750 watt. So I satisfied you with Bajaj Twister 750 watt mixer grinder review, and next time I hope I am coming back with Philips Viva Collection HD 4938/01 2100 watt induction cooktop review, and another Amrin P1111 10,000 mAh power bank review. And thanks for the day. Have great days ahead.